Creating UGC ads used to mean hiring creators, waiting weeks for content, and spending hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on videos that might not even do well. But now with AI, you can create realistic UGC videos in minutes. So in this video, I'm going to take a viral TikTok ad and recreate it step by step using AI tools like Nano and SEEDANCE 2.0. And without wasting a minute of your time, let's get right into it. All right, so while doing some product research on TikTok, I just came across this viral video right here. It has almost 17,000 likes, over 5,000 favorites, and 200 comments. And it's just this mom talking about Lustriva, which is this hair growth supplement. And she's specifically talking about these gummies that are going viral on TikTok right now. So she's talking about them, talking about her experience with hair loss, talking about all the facts about the gummies and the ingredients inside. Then she's talking about the actual product right here at the end and showing it off. So it's this bag of Lustriva hair growth gummies, and I can source this exact same product and sell it myself. And this lady right here is one of this brand's affiliates. She's in a paid partnership with them, so she makes a commission on every single sale she makes on this video. So besides these AI avatars, once you guys set all of this up right, you can have a whole team of affiliates making content for you every single day. But let's say you guys wanted to sell this exact same product right here. So I'm gonna move over to my supplier TeemDrop, and we can actually source this exact same product right here for just $2.87. And we can put our own logo right up here at the top and brand this product ourselves. And it's not just this supplement right here. TeemDrop's full of dropshipping products, white label supplements, print on demand products, anything you want to sell. So this strategy we're about to go over right here isn't just limited to supplements. You can use it for beauty products, dropshipping products, clothing, anything you want to sell. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this product image right here from my supplier. Now, instead of hiring creators to promote this product, we're actually going to generate them instead. So to get started, I'm going to move over to my AI image generator, and we're going to use Nano to come up with an AI influencer. Now, this one right here specifically is offered from Galaxy.ai. They actually have every AI tool in the market, every AI image generator, video generator, voice generator, whatever you need available for just $15 a month. That's literally less than a ChatGPT subscription, and it gives you access to every AI tool in the market. And this video isn't sponsored by anybody. These are the actual tools that I use myself each and every day. So I'll link every tool we're using down below so you guys can follow along, but you don't have to use these exact same tools that I am. There's so many different ways to come up with content like this, but this is by far the easiest. So I'll start by selecting our AI model right here. We want Nano Pro, but we have so many different options to choose from. You have ChatGPT Image 2, Nano 2, Midjourney, but I find that Nano Pro gives you the best output. For resolution, we want the highest quality possible. We'll select 4K. For aspect ratio, we'll leave that square 1:1. For number of images, we only want one. Right here for our input image, this is where we're gonna put in the actual product image. So go ahead and upload that image that we took directly from our supplier, throw it in there. And then right here for image description, this is where you type in your prompt. This is by far the most important part because you're telling the image generator exactly what you want out of it. So you need to be very specific here. You need to name your avatar, who you want promoting your products, and exactly how you want them promoting it. And the brands that are doing the best right now are testing the most amount of content. So the more AI influencers you come up with, the better it's gonna perform for you. So for the prompt right here, I said create a photorealistic female UGC creator holding this exact same supplement bag, the hair growth gummies, naturally in a modern bathroom setting with the soft natural lighting. And I went on to give it so many more details down here. The more specific you are with these prompts, the better they're gonna perform for you. And if you guys want the exact same prompts I use for all of this, comment prompt down below and I'll send them to you. But now that we have all of this typed in, let's go ahead and click generate. So this just might take a minute or two, so I'll get back to you guys as soon as we have our AI influencer. And here's what I came up with right here. Look how good this looks. Here's our photorealistic influencer holding the exact same product right here. And this looks exactly like somebody that would use this. And this would be perfect for a transformation video because look how good the hair looks right here, holding the hair growth supplement. Now the top brands out there right now are creating between 20 to 50 influencers for every new campaign they launch. That way they can really reach every single audience. But we don't have time to create 50 different avatars in this video, so I'm gonna keep things simple and we'll do one female and one male avatar. So I'll go back up to our original prompt right here, and we'll change it from female to male, make sure everything right here still makes sense. And before I generate this, we'll go ahead and save this image right here, and we'll go ahead and generate our new AI influencer. So that way we can reach all different audiences on TikTok. We can reach males and females that both struggle with hair loss. And here's the final output right here. Here's our second second AI influencer, the male version instead. Look how good this looks. It's a photorealistic person that would actually use this supplement holding the exact same product we took from our supplier. And we created both of these images in just a couple of minutes. So now we have both our AI influencers ready to create our UGC videos. We have our first influencer, the female right there, and then our second influencer, the male version right there. Now let's bring both of these to life and turn them into high quality UGC videos. So I'm gonna move over to the AI video generator also offered by Galaxy AI. For this one, we're gonna select image to video. For a model right here, I find that the best output is from SEEDANCE 2.0. This is ByteDance's newest video generation model, and it's by far the most advanced one on the market right now. If you thought Google VO or Sora 2 was good, this will blow both of them away. SEEDANCE will give you Hollywood quality video outputs in just a couple of minutes. So I'll select SEEDANCE for a model right here. For our image, we're gonna go ahead and upload the first AI influencer we made. So we'll go ahead and upload her into our tool right here. Then we'll come up with a really good prompt. I'll say create a realistic vertical UGC style video of this woman casually holding and talking about the supplement bottle in a natural bathroom setting. So since this is the prompt I use for most supplements, I'm gonna have to change this bottle to bag. Make sure everything else on here still makes sense because this is the prompt that I use for most of my supplement brands. For our duration right here, the longer the better. SEEDANCE can actually go up to 15 seconds. I don't want this generation to take forever, so I'll just go ahead and select 12. For resolution, you want the highest quality possible, so instead of 720, you'll select 1080. And once you have all of this typed in and ready to go, we'll go ahead and generate our video. Now, these videos do take a little bit longer than the images to generate. We're talking between 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as we have something. But while we wait for that one, I'll open up the video generator in a new tab, and we'll go ahead and upload our second influencer so we can generate both of them at the same time. So we'll upload our guy right here. We'll throw him into our video generator. For the model, once again, we'll select SEEDANCE 2.0. I'll type in the exact same prompt as the one before, but instead of woman, say man, and instead of bottle, we'll say supplement bag. Everything else on there makes sense. For duration, we'll go ahead and select 12 seconds. Resolution, you want to select 1080p, and we'll go ahead and generate this video. So now we have both videos being generated in SEEDANCE. I'll get back to you guys as soon as they're done. All right, we have both our videos right here. The output actually didn't take too long to generate. It was only like 4 or 5 minutes for each video, but we have our female influencer right here with our product and our male influencer right here. Let's take a look at both videos.
Okay, so I've been trying this hair grow accelerator for a few weeks now. I take one every morning, and I swear I'm actually starting to see a little bit of difference.
So that actually looks really good. And the more detailed and specific you are with your prompts, the better results you're gonna get. Because you can actually script these frame by frame and type in exactly what you want them to say. So that's already a really good start for that one. Let's take a look at our second video right here.
Guys, I've been trying this hair grow accelerator for a few weeks now, and I actually see a difference. It's super easy to use, and honestly, I'm impressed. If you're looking to grow your hair faster, I definitely give this a shoot. You can see results in as little as 8 weeks. Check the link below.
So both of these videos look incredible. These are really good starts. So I'll go ahead and download both of these. Now I'm gonna open up CapCut. This is where the video ads actually come together. So you can upload each video into here, and you can come up with captions, different hooks, B-roll footage, voiceovers, or anything else you want to add. Now, it was my mistake. I did generate all of these videos 1:1 square. We do want 9:16 vertical for everything, but to start, we can go ahead and generate some captions for our video, and we can mess around with the different templates up here. Okay, so I like this one. This one matches our brand and our influencer right here. This looks really good. And you can customize these colors entirely to match your own brand color. So we could change this pink shade to match the purple of our actual product right there. But the captions look good, of course. You guys can add any sounds that you want to on here, or you can actually do so on TikTok when you go to upload these videos. And then of course, you guys can add B-roll footage anywhere it fits in these videos. So where she's talking about her hair, you guys can add videos of people's hair or videos of your actual supplement. So you guys can go on TikTok and download different videos of these actual gummies, or you guys can go on different stock footage websites and find some hair videos. Like for example, if I go on Pexels and I type in hair care, you guys can see all these different videos right here that we can use for B-roll and stock footage. So I like this one right here. I'll download this and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. So let's find a part on here where she's talking about her hair. All right, so right here where she talks about starting to see a little bit of difference, we can add our B-roll video right here. Go ahead and expand it to match the entire thing. We'll drag our caption back over the top of it. We'll go ahead and give this a good animation, something like this. You guys can add any sounds that you want to on here. So you can add something like this, turn it way down, and go ahead and drag that to match your video. So let's take a look at what we came up with right here, because in all reality, this only took a couple of minutes to create.
Okay, so I've been trying this hair grow accelerator for a few weeks now. I take one every morning, and I swear I'm actually starting to see a little bit of difference.
So we have a decent looking video right here. Once you have something that you're happy with, you can go ahead and export it and upload it to TikTok or run ads to it. And go ahead and do this for every new video you create. You want to throw it into CapCut and go ahead and add some enhancements. Captions, sounds, B-roll footage, whatever you can think of to make these videos high quality and engaging. But this is exactly how I create high quality AI UGC for all of my own brands and my clients' brands as well. So let's take a look at the original video that I found at the beginning.
Nina Poole talked about this ingredient called Lustrila, which is a patented and clinically proven ingredient that actually stops hair loss, supports stronger, healthier hair, and works on more hair growth. And the results of this study was actually wild. I did the research on it myself. And so there's this company out there called Force Factor. They have Lustrila in it, okay? And even on the bag, it says you may see results in as little as 3 weeks. And it says right there, it promotes thicker and fuller hair, supports new hair, nourishes stronger and healthier hair.
So that's a decent video. Not much went into it, but it's performing very well for that brand. Now let's take a look at the two videos that we created.
Okay, so I've been trying this hair grow accelerator for a few weeks now. I take one every morning, and I swear I'm actually starting to see a little bit of difference.
Guys, I've been trying this hair grow accelerator for a few weeks now, and I actually see a difference. It's super easy to use, and honestly, I'm impressed. If you're looking to grow your hair faster, I definitely give this a shoot. You can see results in as little as 8 weeks. Check the link below.
Those look so good, and they're ready to promote our products. And a few years ago, this would have required dozens of creators filming, editing, revisions, and all of that. But now you can do all of this in just one afternoon. And thanks to AI tools like this, you can now test faster than ever before. So that's the exact process e-com brand owners are using to find viral content and recreate it for their own stores with AI. Because now you don't have to deal with creators, wait weeks for content, spend thousands of dollars, and hope your content performs. You can pump out hundreds of new creatives every single week. And thanks to AI tools like Nano Banana and SEEDANCE, you can create dozens of different avatars to promote your product. So that way you can really reach every demographic of people that would purchase your products. So if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.